right, hello, my dear. Let's swivel you around.
Thank you.
If I had talent, I could swivel. Casey, okay, Casey from New Jersey. And your subject, you got fans, good. And your subject is?
Empathy in the workplace.
Okay, let's come over here. Here's Casey.
You invited me here today to share my insights about empathy in the workplace.
Okay. Good. They're an intelligent audience, so nothing, you understand there's nothing wrong with any of these. We're just putting every word under the magnifying glass and get a closer look. They're an intelligent audience. They know it's today. So you've just taken off. Today, I tell you, today and thing are the two most overused, impact-diluting words in the English language. And what I would suggest is that you say something of interest first about your subject and then say, thank you for the invitation to discuss how this applies to you. So what is your version of a Frippicism? What is one of your most dramatic, your $100 line?
Let me tell you what empathy is not.
Okay. Then remember, we're going to make it about them. So you might be curious what empathy is not. Thank you for the invitation to. Okay, yes. Here's Casey.
You might be curious about what empathy is not. Thank you for the invitation. That day, I did everything wrong. I ran for the train. I did not have breakfast. And by the time I looked up, it was 3 in the afternoon, and every one of my direct reports had come to me with an issue to solve. And I had no fuel whatsoever.
All right, good, good. So what was different? The opening line, what did we do? We made it about them, not, you might be curious, not I'm going to tell you. You is the magic word. Then, thank you for the invitation. And I think the next line is, thank you for the invitation to discuss, and then you talk about how to be a great communication workforce. I didn't always know what you're about to learn. Then you step this side, because as the audience looks at you, that's the past. So you step this side. Now, because you're now there as the expert, I want you to put this into context. So you say it was earlier, because we don't want, you see, if you're an expert, you don't want them to let them think it might be yesterday. Yeah. And I didn't always know this. Let's go back to 1998. There I was running my own such and such a business with a staff of 16. And this particular Monday, I'd not had a good night's sleep. The alarm was late, but yeah, okay. And that was the day I realized something had to change. And what you're about to learn is the 6-step process that I went through to take my frazzled, unhappy, miserable staff who spent 70% of their time looking for their next job to be my #1 supporters. Okay? No. Thank you. Thank you. You can kiss me later, not when I got my makeup on stage. Come on down.